contest works. Kai and Sir Chris are going to compete in a series of tests to see who will be the next leader of the Iron Sea Lion Triathlon. So the basic rule is, whatever Kai does, Sir Chris, you need to do it as well. Are you up to it? Are you ready? Let's ask Kai. Kai, are you ready? Not yet. I think Kai needs some warm-up. How about a massage? Alright. I think Kai is ready. Okay, so sir, ready na si Kai? Warm up din po tayo. How about a massage? Massage. I think Kai is ready, Sir Chris is ready. Let the games begin. Round 1. So, Sir Chris, we're starting out easy on you. All you have to do is just like that. Very simple, right? So, Sir Chris, it's your turn to turn. Come on! Come on, sir! Just be careful. Down, down, and turn. Good job. How about the reward? Folks, round 2. Officer Christine, can we make a bit harder now? So, sir? All you have to do is swim into the water. Come on, it's your turn, sir. Just swim, yeah. I'm very, very sure. Just swim. Come on. Come on, sir. You can do this. You don't want to get wet? Do we have any other option? So, sir, this is the other option. All you have to do is lay down and roll over. So, Sir Chris, you have 2 choices. Either swim or roll over. Which one? No, you cannot quit. You volunteered for this. Roll over, good choice. Come on, sir. You can do this. Come on. Just down. And roll. Are you okay? Folks, I think Sir Chris is okay. Do you want some more? I can't hear you. Do you want some more? Third and final round. So, Sir Chris, this is the hardest part of the competition. Watch it carefully. Before that, sir, I have something for you. You need to judge your speed and your distance. And don't forget one important thing. Don't forget to stop. Yes, sir. Just slide and stop right over there. Okay? Folks, how about a little encouragement for Sir Chris? Sir, be careful. Watch your steps. Slide and stop. Do you need some help? Do you need some help? Folks, let's count. 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Sir Chris, thank you so much and congratulations. That guy is the winner. So guys, congratulations, you successfully defended your title as the champion of the Iron Sea Lion Triathlon. Good job. So Sir Chris, we're not yet done. I think Kai has something for you. We just need to talk to Kai, okay? Just stay. Stay. Good boy. So, Sir Chris, Kai has something for you. This is very special. I'm choosing fish. So, sir, hold it. Hold it. Just hold it. And eat it now. I'm just kidding. If you want, you can give it back to Kai. Just grab the fish and first. Come on, sir. Don't be afraid. Folks, we are the crowd. Definitely the brave and the beautiful. So, Sir Chris, you can now go out there and tell the world about the Sea Lion Marine Patrol and a good birthday to folks. How about a big hand for Sir Chris? But before you go, sir, you can get your free t-shirt, short, and shoes from the gift shop just for free. Yes, sir. Officer Christine and Kai, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Officer Wilby. And last time,